Hi everyone, this is Eden from Courtyard, and today we're going to be talking about how to use the character de. In Chinese, de has a couple different uses, and the first one we'll be talking about today is possession. In this case, you can think of de a little bit like apostrophe s in English to show that an object belongs to someone. The general structure is a noun or pronoun plus de plus another noun. Let's look at an example. 这是大卫的书, or this is David's book. Here you can see that de appears between the owner, 大卫, and the object, 书. Let's look at another sentence. 那个饭馆的菜很好吃, or that restaurant's food is delicious. Again, you can see that de appears between the owner, 那个饭馆, and the object, 菜. So this is how it works for objects. However, when describing a close personal relationship, such as friends or family, you do not need to use de. It's still correct to use it, but it's optional not to. For example, 她是我的妈妈, or she is my mom. You can also say 她是我妈妈. Let's look at one more. 他是我的男朋友, or he is my boyfriend. You can also say 他是我男朋友. Both are correct. However, when a relationship is a little bit more formal, such as with a teacher or a boss, de must be included. So, for example, 他是我的老板, and 张三是我的老师. In this case, the relationship between you and your boss or you and your teacher is more formal, so de must be included. The second use we'll be talking about today is de with adjectives. With de with an adjective of 2 or more characters, the structure is adjective plus de plus noun. Let's look at an example. 我想买一件漂亮的衣服, or I want to buy a set of beautiful clothes. In this case, the adjective 漂亮 is followed by de and then the object that it describes, 衣服. Let's look at another example. 他有一只非常聪明的狗, or he has an extremely smart dog. Again, you can see that the adjective, or in this case, the adjective phrase, 非常聪明, or extremely smart, is followed by de and then the object that it describes, the dog, go. So this is with adjectives of 2 or more characters. You can see 漂亮 has 2 characters, and then the adjective phrase 非常聪明 has 4. For adjectives with only 1 character, you do not use de. Let's look at an example. 你吃大苹果, or you eat the big apple. You can see here that the adjective 大, or big, is immediately followed by the noun 苹果, and you do not have de in this sentence. Let's look at another example. 手机在高桌子上, or the cell phone is on the tall table. Again, you can see that the adjective 高, or tall, is immediately followed by the object it describes, 桌子, or table. All right, so now it's your turn. Let's see if you can find out where de goes in the following sentences. You can pause the video if you need a little extra time. All right, so now it's answer time. How did you do? Well, that's it for today. If you have any questions or comments, let us know down below, and we will see you next time with more interesting Chinese grammar. Bye-bye.